Hello, welcome back to Pittsburgh Kid. Today, I am going to be putting 5 marshmallows in a microwave. Let's actually see what happens. Okay, so I got 5 marshmallows here. Let's actually see. Oh god, okay. Will it taste good? Will it taste terrible? I don't know. So let's putting it in there. Okay, how long? Maybe, let's do, about 1 minute. See what happens if you put a marshmallow in there for a minute. Oh, look at that. Oh god, it's getting huge. That's a marshmallow. God, that's huge. I'm not sure you can see it as good, but I see it, it's big. Yeah, the one right there is giant. Oh, it's getting, okay, never mind. It just got smaller for like a second. Oh, what's that? I see a little burn right there. I don't know. Oh, it smells something. Oh god, okay. I don't know. Alright, what is 10 seconds left? Right. 5 seconds left. That doesn't smell good. Okay. 3, 2, 1. What the heck happened here? Okay, hold on a second. Okay, it smells terrible. I'm just putting up paper towels right now. There's enough. Okay. Oh yeah, that doesn't look. That looks okay. It looks pretty good, but over here does not look good at all. Okay, let's see if it tastes good. Maybe let's taste it. Why not? Okay, so I had the marshmallows there. Okay, so I'm gonna try it. Okay, so it's sticky. It's really good. It's like roasting a marshmallow.
Yeah, that looks kind of nicely toasted. Oh yeah, that's tasty.
It's really sticky. It's like, yeah, but yeah, it's really good. Yeah, this is good. I can barely come out of my fork. Like, watch this. I can barely get off the plate, and it can barely get off my fork. So that'll be the end. That's it. I put a marshmallow into a microwave for a minute. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.